Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert a transparent background image in Word for professional document designs, watermarks, posters, certificates, presentations, and stylish page layout. Transparent image help document look clear, cleaner while keeping text easy to read. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. Now I want to insert a transparent background image. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now here the fry pan image is transparent. Select the image, go to the format menu and click the image tight. We can see the image is transparent and automatically adjusts on text. You can resize the image and see that the image is transparent and tight on the text. You can make any image this way. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.